everyone, and welcome to Pearls of Fisdom with Nirmal Bang. I'm Avan Dabash. When we think of the festive season, we sure think of jewelry. So what is the outlook like? Are we going to see some great pricing, great discounts, and what is demand like? Well, Jaipur-based omni-channel retailer of jewelry, that's Vaibhav Global, which operates in the B2C category as well as shopping on digital platforms, is joining in to give us some color on that. Mr. Sunil Agrawal is with us, the Managing Director. Thank you so much for taking time out. So what is the festive season in store for jewelry looking like?
Yeah, so US, UK, Germany economies are getting better, and there's signs of demand coming back from the recessional fears there were. Although in US there was a bit of an election noises there, but we expect that to subside in by the end of this month. UK and Germany, we are seeing the demand coming back. So we are confident of this financial year to be decent for us.
Any offers, any discounts, any lucrative deals that customers can expect this festive season? Any dhamakedar offers?
Yeah, we always offer compelling values to our customer because we are a value retailer. And because of those values, people come to us again and again. We, as you might know, we have 26 repeat purchases a year, 26 items that we sell a year, about 15 purchases an average customer a year, which is very high for any other retailer. So with the values and offers we give all the time, we get very high repeat purchase.
So given that you really have a pulse on things, what is the consumer preference like? What are the trends like?
Yeah, so we constantly look at what the trend is. We have about 250 people in the company for product development, trend spotting, comp analysis. So we bring in almost 100 new products every day. And that encompasses different trend, competitors, fast-moving product, and our past successes that we bring new extensions to. So it's an everyday process. And that is the reason we have very high repeat purchase with our customer.
Now, revenue expectations for the festive season. Do you think that you'll maintain your 13 to 14% revenue outlook?
Yes, we will. We have the US, UK, Germany, and 2 new acquisitions that we acquired last year. And on the back of that momentum, we expect to meet our guidance.
And you're really focusing on, increasing your digital business in your overall revenue pie. So how are you looking at increasing that?
Digital has multiple drivers. OTT is one of the main drivers. The OTT is connected TV. A lot of people in Western world, especially in US, are consuming media through OTT. There is not linear cable that people have been known for a long time. It is through internet, and there is one. The other is social media. There is Facebook, TikTok, and Google search. All these 3 areas are growing faster for us than linear television, and we expect these digital out of these 3 will be 50% of our revenue by 2027.
And what is the demand trend in the UK and the US? Will you continue to grow over there? Is that also going to see good festive demand?
Yeah, so economy is improving. We see the year-over-year growth coming back in GDP, and our industry is predominantly jewelry and lifestyle, tracks the GDP growth. We are actually taking more market share away from our competitors, and with the sentiments becoming positive, we are expecting the growth to be strong for years to come. Now, US generally is very positive, but because of Olympics and election, there was a bit of a subdued demand. But we expect after end of October, November 5th is the election, we expect demand to go back up robustly. UK, the sentiments have improved a little bit, although interest costs have come down by about 50 basis points in UK as well as Germany. That helps demand to pick up and the sentiments to pick up. But still, the interest costs are relatively higher than what it was pre-war or pre-2021. So for that level to come back, maybe another year or so, but we expect in midterm the demand to be robust, and we attaining our guidance of mid-teen growth in midterm.
Your focus, of course, is predominantly B2C over the B2B business. Is that going to become more opportunistic for you?
B2B is opportunistic for us because we have capacity in India for manufacturing of jewelry for European or US retailers, but predominantly it is B2C from our 4 TV/e-com channels and 1 e-com company that we purchased. And those are the main growth drivers for us.
And have you looked at lab-grown diamonds? A lot of big players are entering this space. Is that something that you'll look at?
Yes, we are already into lab-grown diamond, and that is seeing good traction for us in all 3 countries, US, UK, and Germany, because the prices are very attractive. So when compared to mined diamonds, they are 90% discount or 80% discount, and that is getting traction with our customers.
And tell us more about your recent acquisitions.
So we acquired 2 companies, Mindful Souls, that is an e-com subscription company, and Ideal World is a TV shopping/e-com company. So Mindful Souls, we bought the logistics in-house because they were third-party PL. We bought it in-house in US and UK and US and Germany. UK is still 3PL, and it is adding value for us. And merchandising, we have moved from China to largely India, and that is also helping us. So we expect to gain EBITDA growth in this business in years to come, and we also started to seeing the growth coming back in. For Ideal World, we acquired this from liquidation, from bankruptcy, and it is already very positive. We are seeing on allocated base from profitability coming back in from October onwards. So it's ramping up well and will be EBITDA accretive to us from next quarter onwards, or even for current quarter, it'll be EBITDA par, but next quarter onwards, it'll be EBITDA accretive.
And we can't let you go without asking you, what are your pearls of wisdom?
Yeah, so with consumer-facing business, most important we feel in our business is to take care of the customer so that the customer comes back again and again. So give great experience, great value, and constantly innovate so the customer comes back not only for the service, but for the new product, new introductions all the time. And retail is, you have to win customer confidence every day. You can't stay back, you can't relax on your laurels. You have to innovate, and you have to be in the forefront of whatever the new trend is, or the new offering, or the new taste, or the new ways of engaging with customer in omni-channel way, whether it is through television or e-com or social search marketplaces, through affiliate, every which way. It has to be 360 outreach to customer and then taking care of the customer with new and innovative products.
But before we let you go, actually, we have a rapid fire round. So quick questions, 1-word answers. Silver or gold? What's the cool trend?
It was gold till about a few months ago because of inflation, but now it's getting back to silver.
Is it Gen Zs or millennials that you're really targeting? Who is going to be your shopper?
Millennials.
Online or offline? What's going to do better?
Online.
And is this festive season going to see better growth or the same growth?
This year we had growth on the back of acquisitions. So next year it'll be apple to apple. So it'll be similar growth, but more apple to apple growth.
Okay, thank you so much for taking time out. It's been really good interacting with you to get a buzz on the festive season.
Of course. Thank you for your time.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Nirmal Bang.